Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you my cheesesteak recipe. It's not exactly Philadelphia style, but it's savory, it's cheesy, and it'll knock your socks off either way. As far as ingredients go, you're going to need 2 ribeyes, about a pound each. You're going to need a large sweet onion, a red and a green bell pepper, provolone, or your cheese of choice obviously, butter, hoagies, and some 50-50 salt and black pepper blend. That's about it. I'll show you how to do these in the next steps. So for the first step, you're going to take your ribeyes, put them in the freezer for about 45 minutes to harden them up. Then we're going to take them out, trim any big fat chunks off, and cut thin slices for the cheesesteak. Next, you want to slice up the bell peppers and the sweet onion. You can either dice them or slice them, and you can mix them all together at the end. For the hoagie, you just want to slice them all in half and spread some butter on them because we're going to grill them up. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grill the veggies and get the onions nice and caramelized. Then we're going to throw the meat on and get that going. Salt and pepper is the only spices you need here. And then we're going to throw cheese, mix it all together, throw cheese on top, grill the buns, and throw everything on top of the bun. Alright, now that you got them made up, I'm just going to throw a little mayo on there. I'll give this bad boy a taste test for you guys. Oh yeah, it's a handful. Really good. Can't complain about that. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. If you like this cheesesteak recipe, I highly recommend you try it. Go ahead and give my channel a subscribe or give this video a like. Leave a comment below. Check out my website at bbgrillshack.com or follow me on social media at bbgrillshack. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thanks again for stopping by. Taking her to the taking her to the